Hello Glam fam, welcome back to MBGE. If you want to know how to achieve this fluffy brow, stay with me. So I'm prepping my brow with this. I like to do this first before going in with my makeup, because if I do my foundation it's always messy. So I'm going with the Go to Be air wax, taking a little bit, and then I'm pushing my brow upwards and diagonal. Using the browlution pencil from Younger Beauty, this pencil is very lightweight. I'm adding powder to my brow first to just further mattify the place. Then I'm taking light strokes, very light strokes, to just draw and just carve out the shape. You can see it's already carved out, it's already shaped out, and this is what taming your brow does for you. If you tame your brow with a glue or with the Got to Be glue gel, it will hold your brow in place and it will enable you to draw your brow perfectly well. And I'm filling it in with this Ega and Esther brow pomade to just slightly fill it in with those slight strokes and just mimicking the air and filling in those sparse areas of my brow and just slightly mimicking the brow hair and just filling it in. And this actually gives a more natural outcome. It doesn't look like you've just pasted brow on your face. So this gives a more natural outcome, a very natural outcome. Using the Younger brow tint in Beam, I'm just pasting a little. This is just to lighten the brow and just give it a more natural outcome. The focus is to have a natural brow, not something too heavy. So I'm slightly just combing it out or brushing it out, and can you see the way it's giving me that natural effect. If you don't have this brow tint, you can use a lighter concealer, just a little bit, to do this effect. And then I'm using this Younger brush and taking a little bit of my Chestnut Elegant Pro concealer and just concealing my brow. Can you see that I did not conceal the top of the brow because the top of the brow is already well carved? Then I'm blending it out with this e.l.f. blending brush and just blending it out, and there you go, the final outcome. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share. See you in my next video. Bye.